never talk too early. Oh, Indaba, talking my business is simple. Nazo zonke indaba zabasha.
Ezocansi on Indaba njalo ngo-7 kuya ku-8 p.m.
Welcome to another episode of Indaba on Kakasi FM. Le show iba khona njalo ngo Thursday, but this weekend we had a block party on Thursday. So lokho kusho ukuthi uhlelo lwakho ke ngeke lunyamalale. Sewuzokujoyela nje lokho ukuthi mangabe indaba isuke ngekho on air, you know where to find it here on the podcast, and the video yakhona isuke ikhona as well. I welcome you Dr. Nkosinathi Shabalala. He's always with us on Thursdays. Dr. Umtavazo. Sure, Dr.
Kunjani Alex?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Ngikhona baba, ngibingelele nefamily iGagas FM.
Alright, Dr. kuqala i-weekend and abantu abaningi basebenzisa ngendlela ezihlukene, and omunye because akahlali nomuntu wakhe yithubele ukuthi bahlale, and then omunye bazobe jabula naye, abanye futhi khona nane makeup sex ezokwenzeka ngalesi sikhathi. Just take us through izinto ezingenza umtavazo ube sezingeni eliphezulu kuwona wonke lama scenarios esengwabalile.
Now asiqale nje ngale yokuthi kukhona ukungabi ndawonye isikhathi eside.
Yeah.
Now sekuyilelo thuba ke manje lokuthi sihlangane.
Yes.
Of course izinto engenza ukuthi umdavazo lapho usimame would be izinto ezenziwa before actually kuhlanganwe. Ngoba lokho builds up anticipation. It builds up lento yokuthi yazi ngilindele and ngilangazelele ngempela ukuthi umuntu wami ngimbone. Angimbonanga isikhathi eside so ngiyambona ke manje so ngizomenzelani. Kuqhamuka even naloma ideas.
Okay.
If umazi ngempela umuntu wakho you know ukuthi ungaplana quite a lot of things. Undlale lo platform yokuthi mayefika ukwazi ukuthi umjabulise umkhombise ukuthi ubumkhumbule.
Okay.
Yes, Alex.
So okubalekile ukuthi you plan beforehand, take isikhathi sokucabanga lama ideas. Again njengoba sasho last week ungabe umuntu opredictable, qhamuka nezinto ezintsha.
And Alex yazi i-planning yenza lento yokuba spontaneous ukuthi ibe even better.
Yeah.
Ngoba nalapho futhi unethuba lokumkhombisa umuntu wakho ukuthi umazi kangakanani. So if you plan accordingly uzokubona kusukela eqaleni ukuthi yazi umuntu wami uyangi-understanda, therefore ngeke ahlale angajabuli.
By the way, let's just khuluma ngazo. Angazi sinayo lento yocabanga ukuthi makukhulunywa ngokuqala kwezomdavazo kushuthi umuntu wesilisa must initiate. Njengoba nje udokotela ekhuluma ngendaba yokuplana, yokuprepare for spontaneity. No, it can actually be both ways, whether umuntu wesilisa or umuntu wesifazane. Kunento udokotela ejwayelekile ukuthi athi omunye umuntu umdavazo ngiperforma kangcono mangisuke ngiplakile, hayi mangikushayile utshwala hayi ngiba right. Inede edala leyo nto leyo ukuthi ngempela uthola ukuthi mangabe suke sober ayakuperforme kahle, but uma esuke seshayile uzazi nanokuthi omunye athi kuyinhlobo zikatshwala okhona nakho kungisebenzelayo.
Ukuthi Alex i-spectrum sama personalities ne-spectrum sokuthi abantu bayindlela ephiona side kakhulu. But ke ake senze nje umzekelo ngabo utshwala.
Yeah.
If umuntu ezothi yena ukwazi ukwenza izinto only if under the influence of alcohol, into engicabangayo mina ezudokotela yokuqala is a loss of inhibition. Ngoba there is basically what utshwala brings. So if you have a loss of inhibition, then ayasuka even amahloni Alex. Uba nalolo gqozu, uba naleyo nto yokuthi uyayithemba, uba naleyo nto yokuthi yazini ngizo attacka and ngizophumelela. So iba khona leyo nto if ukuthi umuntu urely kakhulu towards alcohol consumption when it comes to social event, yeah.
Okay. You are listening to iSpecial Sendaba. Maksuke kukhona i-block party on air. Ishow isuke ngekho but iba khona uyithola as a podcast. Ungayishare le podcast download nje i-app yeGagasi, uyi-download for free. And namhlanje sikhuluma about how to prepare umdavazo for umuntu wakho as we head to this long weekend. Bese ke dokotela sizokhuluma ke about this sex yabantu akade bexabene then sekuyithuba lokuthi baphinde babonde as well. I'm sure there must be dangers though if you rely on it all the time.
Well, danger Alex besides ukuthi you rely on it all the time. Danger iqhamuka ekuthenini kuba khona abantu who actually hold grudges. Yes, they can use makeup sex ukuthi baxolisa leso sikhathi. But now umuntu lo abaxolisa kuyena uxolile yini na? Now ukuxolisa kuyinkinga kunzima. And ukusebenzisa izinto ezithintilize umuntu, izinto ezokwenza umuntu ukuthi angacabangi ngaloko kubalekile ngaleso sikhathi. Bear in mind ukuthi kuzobuya later on. And sometimes kubuya ngendlela
So uthi ungachama then bese kuphela yonke into and you forget, you move on.
No. Kuba injabulo yesikhashanyana. Bese iyabuya ingqondo. And mayibuya ingqondo igcina isiba nama trigger factors. Kuba ukuthi ngempela ubudlelwane abusakazi ukusimama. So ngiyaye ngithi kumele siyibalansise yonke Alex. Yes, ucansi libalekile impela within a relationship, but i-communication ibalekile as well. So within this period leye long weekend abantu abanganaki kuphela umdavazo yes bakhumbulene kade begcinene abeke kodwa bakhulume bazame ukubona ukuthi bengayixazulula kanjani izinto ezenza kube khona umnxushunxushu within their relationship.
Yeah, kunabantu futhi ongamele sibashiye ngaphandle dokotela. Sikhulumela about ezomdavazo but khona umuntu this long weekend either uyasebenza kumbe ukwi long distance relationship kumbe usenama issues kwi relationship yakhe. How are you going to cope with abantu on the socials, on your WhatsApp, even in your company benabantu babeduzane but wena uncela isithupha uwedwa? Can you survive?
Of course, iyasurviveka I long distance relationship,
Yeah.
but idinga a lot of dedication. Idinga ngempela ukuthi uzazi wena ukuthi ubani and ufunani and wakhela ini exactly and wakhela phezukwani. So if kuuthi uzoyilahla leyo nto leyo then kuba khona ukuthenganiseka ngoba kuzongena omunye umuntu wesithathu ngaphakathi bese kuba khona inkingi. So if kuuthi uyi long distance relationship into yokuqala engiyaye ngitshene abantu ukuthi ngiba advise ngayo ukuba transparent more than anything. Be transparent in every way that you can as a human being. Lapho kubalula ngoba if kuuthi uyi long distance relationship there is already a strain on the relationship, the fact of ukuthi anibonani. So uthando lidinga ukufeedwa nalo. Into ekuthiwa intimacy idinga iattention nawo ngendlela yayo. So indaba ye long distance relationship ibucayi ngoba abanye abantu iyabahlula kodwa abanye abantu iyabasebenzela. And there is the only difference Alex ukuthi ukwazi ukuyifundisa ukuthi uyimela kanjani wena within a long distance relationship.
All right, okwi long distance relationship then osathi go through indaba ye breakup kulesi sikhathi kube mhlambe uyacabanga ukuthi hey the last long weekend or last year around this time nganginomuntu kulesi sikhathi izinto ayifani na last year or last time.
Ukephi lo muntu loyo? Is he over or she over I breakup or usadila nayo?
Usadila nayo yakho sibona abantu abasensitive laba basadila nayo.
And ibucayi impela ke lento uqeda ngisho ukuthi ba sensitive. And ba sensitive even nangeyinqumo abayithathayo because they are vulnerable. They are considered vulnerable. I mean you just went through a heartbreak. Now kuya ngokuthi nawo yini ama coping mechanisms and can you really bring yourself back? Into eyinkinga Alex within a breakup especially if with senhlala isikhathi eside. Within a relationship a commitment abantu they tend to lose their individuality and inkinga leyo if kuuthi sekuyahlukana lapho ngoba lo akasakwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kwalo nalo akasakwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kwalo lo akasakwazi ukuthatha inqumo ngaphandle kwalo nalo akasakwazi ukuthatha inqumo ngaphandle kwalo. So it becomes a bit of an issue. But if kuuthi uqeda kuphuma kwe relationship give yourself time, enough time ukuthi uhile. Ucansi will not heal you. Ucansi will actually break you and in a way it might actually damage you.
Right, we're about to wrap up this conversation. Siqala ke uMay being inyanga dedicated to all the workers from uMay 1. There are people dokotela abakule space somdavazo as workers, the commercial sex workers. Izinto nje mhlambe singabakhumbuza zona. I know ukuthi in a free society and free world where they have rights and all that kuba ukuthi yes it's acceptable. But izinto kungamele bayikhohlwe, izinto ze protection, safety yabo. I-message ongayidlulisa nje kubona abantu abahweba ngezomdavazo.
Into yokuqala engingayisho ukuthi ababodwa bengazizwa ngazathi mhlambe bona bahlukile. No ababodwa. Ikhona iplatform yabo and nabo futhi they do have the right to access any healthcare facility. If they afford bazo access a private, if benga afford ukhona public. But into engifuna ukuyibeka ehamba phambili ukuthi bayivikele ngayo yonke indlela. Now ekuyivikeleni kuyi condom sesinama options awu two. We have a male condom, we have into ekuthiwa femidom which is specific to females. So nakhona sibeyakwazi ukuthi nabo bawaphatha ama condom babe prepared for a situation noma yiphi yona. Ikhona into ekuthiwa PrEP. PrEP uvikela only with regards to the transmission of HIV. Now futhi siya promote kakhulu and ke manje ke iDepartment of Health isize yakhipha nanokuthi sekukhona injection ekuthiwa ilinocapavir which lasts 6 months and itholakala in public, it's for free, so nalapho futhi umuntu engakhona ukuaccessa leyo ndlela yokuthi ayivikele. Okunye ke of course kumele babheke ukuthi abantu aba engage nabo ocansini bona ngokwabo bayayivikela yini ngoba wena ungayivikela kodwa omunye umuntu akwazi ukulethela izifo. Eyokugcina ke Alex indaba ama contraceptives ibaleka kakhulu because bona they are at risk of ama unwanted pregnancies and they are at risk of ama runaway fathers ngoba umsebenzi lona kubona there's really no commitment kulo muntu abasuke benayo so if a mistake happens then basuke bengekho ready for that so akhona ama options abanawo definitely abangawo accessa ukuze bakwazi ukuthi bayivikele and njengoba uhlala usho Alex kule show we do not judge but we
Okay,
listen.
well, my advice evela ke kudokotela. Picture this, if you had a table selling fruits, then kufika icustomer liqale ngokuthi lidle, then after that lingabe lisakhokha. That's another safety plan futhi ukuthi you've been in this business, you know how it works. Something as a protector wena and those that you feed.
And Alex okunye specifically for females
Yeah.
and I'm saying this because Department of Health is running a campaign currently for vaccinations. Kune vaccination HPV. It's actually targeted specifically nayo target group lento yokuthi umuntu uyi-sex worker.
Okay.
You know. So nayo ke futhi ibalekile ukuthi bazi ukuthi ikhona.
For
so
free?
kuningi for free. Completely free.
Yeah.
You don't pay a single cent.
Sure. Any message to the clients? Because you've addressed the vulnerable groups or commercial sex workers. A message kulesi sikhathi ke ezobe iya now to our listeners now ababathengi.
Well, abathengi Alex engakusho ukuthi sonke sinamalungelo akho judgment ekuthengeni.
Yeah.
But ekuthengeni kwakho naka ukuthi uthenga ngayiphi yona indlela and uthenga kubukhona. Nakhona futhi nawe kusamele uyivikele.
Protection.
Yes, kakhulu.
All right, you see, even the voice yakadokotela mase sikhuluma ngendaba yabathengi uyambona ukuthi iyehla yabo. Asibonge kakhulu, wishing you all the best. Be responsible. We understand ukuthi you are adult, you take ama decisions owaziyo, but on this show sizokulalela sikunikeze ulwazi sike-empowerishe ngalo, but igcineni decision ikuwena. Dokotela sibonga kakhulu nge-information ohlelo sinika yona.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Alex, ngibonga kakhulu nomndeni wami iGagas FM.
All right, utholakala still long weekend?
Yes, ngiyatholakala impela, ngiyasebenza kusasa, ngiyasebenza Saturday, it's only Sunday engawusebenzi. But ke ngiyatholakala ke enambeni yocingo if bengidinga abantu ethi 063 847 0511 ngizoyiphinda 063 847 0511.
All right. Watching this again on any other day, we had this especially for a Thursday, yomhlaka 30 April. So mamuzo dokotela ethi kusasa will refer to any public holiday ekutheni ungakwazi ukuthi umthole, but use the numbers ke as esanda kusinikeza wona. This is the end of a special Workers' Day or Workers' Month, especially Sex Indaba. Lo hlelo ke liba khona on your radio njalo njengo Thursday at 7, but we are on the digital platforms kwi-app yeGagas. Ube nobusuku obumnandi.
Untomzodwa, usweet bean, ubhontshisi, amazambane, nekheke. Whole sounding scrumptious, right? Check out more info about Umdavazo on our podcast on the Gagas FM app, naku YouTube wethu, Gagas FM.